everyone, welcome to my channel. I am here to answer all the questions you never asked. Today we are going to look at how much a cloud weighs. But before we do that, let us have a look at what clouds are and why they form. Clouds form when the invisible water vapor in the air condenses into visible water droplets or ice crystals. In fact, there is water around us all the time in the form of tiny gas particles, also known as water vapor. There are also tiny particles floating around in the air, such as salt and dust. These are called aerosols. Aerosols make it easier for the water vapor to condense, and once the process starts, eventually bigger water droplets form around the aerosol particles, and these water droplets start to merge with other droplets, forming clouds. If enough droplets formed and merged together, they eventually get so heavy that they fall as rain. Now we know that clouds form when the air is saturated, which means it cannot hold any more water. Great, but why does it happen? There are two ways in which clouds form. Firstly, clouds form when the amount of water in the air increases to the point that the air cannot hold any more water. This can happen, for example, through evaporation. Secondly, clouds form when the surrounding air is cooled to its dew point, the point where condensation occurs, and the air once again is unable to hold any more water. The amount of water air can hold changes with temperature. The warmer the air is, the more water vapor it can hold, and vice versa. Clouds are usually produced through condensation. As the air rises, it will cool, and reducing the temperature of the air decreases its ability to hold water vapor, so that condensation occurs. This means that the dew point constantly changes with height and temperature. Now we talked about everything but the reason you clicked on this video. So, how much does a cloud weigh? Of course, that very much depends on the size of the cloud. Looking at them, they appear to be light and fluffy, but knowing now that they are mostly just water, they must have some weight to them. A typical cloud has a volume of around 1 cubic kilometer and a density of around 1.003 kilograms per cubic meter. That is about 0.4% lower than that of the surrounding air, which is also why they float. Doing the math, that means that a typical cloud weighs around 1 million metric tons. That is the weight of around 200 elephants. Alright, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. Please do not forget to like, comment below, and of course subscribe. It means a lot to me. Take care and stay safe. Nobody asked is checking out.